beautiful arch. Yeah, that's different names for them, but absolutely. Whereas ahead of us now, not nearly as many dead trees in the forest, a little bit of lighter green to the forest. And that's because two totally different forests here. And that's because a forest fire in the Waterton Valley was back in 1935. So the forest ahead of us now, relatively young forest, behind a lot of watchful pine trees. Whereas that older forest back behind us, which is the same. But evidence of pine beetle, absolutely. Is that a concern here? Is it a big mouth? We'll go down on that. Any incredibly sustaining temperatures in the winter months. So we will slow down the spread of the environment. Is about to the tree. And the tree starts to fall. Now, pine beetle is all across the ground. And that's part of it. That's how they make the forest fire as in 1940. Waterton Lake, they were terrible. It's not every day that we see a buildings being left out on the road. It's easy, right? '32. And it became the world's first international peace park, due in part to the efforts of Rotary International. Rotarians from Alberta and Montana. I would like to take just a couple more minutes to tell you a little bit more about that border that we crossed, doesn't it? The forest certainly looks the same on either side of that cut line that we passed over. The birds fly back and forth overhead. Fish swim. Just 2 years ago, we had an excellent example of that shared cooperation and joint effort between the two parks, because we did have a minor forest fire started up here 2 years ago, August 2015. Park,